first. Can you say, when I ask you, are you ready? Can you say, yes, I am ready. Are you ready?
Say it.
You ready? Say, yes, I am ready. Can you say that? Can you say, yes, I am ready?
Louder.
Can you? Yes, I am ready.
Louder, love.
Alright, okay, let's begin this game. Teo, what is this animal? Do you know this animal? What is this animal?
Louder. Loud.
Cow. Can you say that again? Cow.
Make it louder.
Cow. Can you say cow?
Can you go down? You want to go down?
It's a cow.
Go down,
Very
love.
good, Teo.
Mm.
So because you've done a great job,
It's a cow.
I'll give you. Look, it's a star.
Wow, you have a star.
1 star for Teo. Okay, so answer correctly, and then I'll give you another star. All right. Okay. Let's move on to the second one. What is this, Teo? What's this? It says ba. What is that?
Louder, anak.
Sheep. Can you say sheep? One more time, louder, Dale. Sheep. Sheep. All right.
Louder, love.
Is correct. Another star for Dale. It's a sheep. Next one. What is this, Dale? What's this? What's this? It's a.
Louder, nak.
It's a.
Louder, love.
It's a dog. Can you say dog? Can you say dog? It's a dog. It's a dog. What about this one, Teo? What is this? Oink, oink. It says oink, oink,
Louder, anak.
oink. What's this? It's a. It's a. Can you say it loudly? It's a.
Oh, don't move it. Don't move it.
Pig. Hold on. Mommy, next one.
No.
What is this? It's a go, go, go,
What's that?
go. Do you know this one, Dale?
You know that. What's
Goat.
that?
Can you say goat? It's a goat.
Teo, Teo.
Horse. That is also correct. It's a horse. Very good, Dale. What about this one? This.
Louder.
Chicken is correct. Very good. It's the chicken. Ah. Bull. It's a bull. Alright, let's move on to the next animal. What's this? It's a baby chicken. How do you call that one?
How do you call that one?
It's a chick. Can you say chick?
Cheeky tawag.
It's a chick. It's a chick. What is this? Yes, it looks like a horse, but it is smaller than a... Oh, it starts with letter D. Dong, dong, dong. E. Can you say donkey? It's a donkey. Very good. Good job, Theo. It's a donkey. Alright. So these are the animals that we guessed. Okay, so let's identify them all. First one, what is the first one? It's a what's the first one? It's a pig. Can you say pig? Very good. What about the second one? Cow. Can you say that again? Cow. What about the third one? What is this? Sheep. Sheep. Oh, hello? Sound check. Hello. Let's see this one. Bull. Can you say bull? Bull. It's a bull.
Louder, anak.
What about this one? What's this? A little horse. Smaller than a horse. Donkey. Donkey.
Louder, love.
Very good. Donkey. Donkey. It's a donkey.
Oh.
Oh, great job.
Theo, don't move it.
Can you see this? Can you see this?
Say yes.
Okay, alright. So we will begin our left. A, T, and B. Alright? Okay. But before that, Dea, do you know how to sing A, B, C, D?
Theo, you cannot see you.
Do you know how to sing the alphabet?
Don't hide, love. Theo,
Do you know how
answer.
to sing A, B, C, E, D? Do
Say
you know?
yes.
Oh, let's ready? Let's sing it together.
Oh, let's
A,
see.
B, C, D. Can we
Louder.
try to sing that? You ready?
Louder.
Ready?
Oh, sing.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Can you try to sing along?
Oh,
A,
sing.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Nakasamunak
So
boses
that
mo.
is the alphabet.
shout.
Okay, anyway, let's move on to our lesson. Our first letter. Do you know this letter? This is letter S. Can you say S? Can you say that? Letter S. S.
Louder,
S.
anak.
One more time.
You look there.
Louder. S.
Say letter S.
S. That is letter S. S for, what is it? S for,
Louder.
what's up? What's this?
Louder.
Spider. Very good. Spider.
Don't tago.
It's a okay. Do you have whiteboard or anything that we can use to write?
Yes, wait lang. Say yes.
Does he have whiteboard
Yes po.
po?
Ito. This one from my
Or
own.
maybe oh, that's good. Okay.
From
All right. Okay. Can you try to write? Can you try to write this on your board?
I'll try to write it now. The letter S.
Let's try to write this.
Go. Write it.
Let the big S first. The big S first, and then next one the baby S.
Oh, you write it. You got
Try
it.
to write this.
Write it, love. Show it to teacher.
Just like this one.
Oh,
Just
no.
follow the line.
Hindi pa siya masyado.
Can I see it?
Oh.
Oh,
You finish it. Finish. You
alright.
finish it.
Hold on for a second. You copy this. You copy this one. You try to copy.
Copy. Okay.
Try
Let's bara.
to copy it.
S. Go. This one, love. S.
Can you, mommy? Can you try to like
This one.
create yung lines na pwede niyang i-trace?
Sige pa. Tayo.
Broken line.
Ah.
That's the trace niya.
Ay, ano ba ito? Maano yung... You trace it, love. Trace it.
Okay,
you
or you
trace it.
connect it. Trace it, trace. Connect the lines.
That's letter S. Oh, you show it to teacher.
Letter N. Very good.
Mga ganun yung S ni mama.
That looks really great. Letter S. What about the baby S? Can you make a smaller one?
Smaller one
There
tayo. Wait lang. Mali yung S ni mama.
Smaller letter S.
Okay.
Baby S.
You connect it.
Baby S. You connect that one. Connect the...
Ang pangit ng S ni mama. Oh, you show it.
Alright. Okay, finish. Very good.
Yay. Wow! Yay da.
Good. Nice one, Teo. Okay, now let's move on here. Can you see this picture? Tell, what are these pictures?
Say it out loud.
Can you tell it to me? What is this one?
Say
What
it
is
out
the
loud.
first one? This one. Sun. Very good. It's the sun. What
Very
about
good
the
daw.
second?
Oh, this one. Yun na. Second
What's
picture.
this?
Second picture. What's this?
Second picture. Snake. Very egg. Very good. Okay. Let's move on to the third picture. What is this one?
This one. What's this? Tayo.
This?
This one. Say it.
What is this?
Say it out. Tayo, you're
SpongeBob's
playing
pet.
now.
It's Gary. It's a snail. Very good. It's a snail. Alright. What about this one? What is this, Teo?
This one. What's that?
This one? It's a cat. Sand. Can you say
Castle.
sand castle?
Say louder.
Very
Say it louder.
Castle. Okay, what about this one? What's this? These two little animals. What are these?
Spider.
It's spider. Good job. It's spider. Do you like Spider-Man? Dale, do you like Spider-Man? Oh, on our next meeting, I will change my background into Spider-Man. You like Spider-Man? Let's move on here. Okay. So we will play a game again. This time, Theo, on the letter S. You know what? Letter S has a sound. Do you know the sound of letter S, Theo?
Oh, what's the sound of letter S?
Teacher will letter S. The sound of letter S is just like the sound of snake. Do you know the sound of snake, Theo?
Say it.
Snake?
Ang hina
It
ng
sounds-
boses mo.
Sounds like, can you make it? Can you make the sound?
Louder.
Can you make the sound of the snake? Very. It's also the sound of letter S. Can you make it again? Louder. Very good. That's the sound of letter S. Just like the sound of snake.
Tayo. Tayo, don't take up the picture.
Okay, this time, Theo, you're going to make the sound of letter S and then name the picture. Ready? First, listen to teacher first. I will make the sound of letter S. And then name this one. Sun. 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 Sun.
Tayo, gaya mo si teacher.
Sun. Just like that. Ready? You will do it.
Ah.
You ready?
Read.
Okay, Tayo.
Say it, tayo. Sound.
Go. Look at this.
Sound.
Sound.
What's this? Sound. Louder. What's this? Ay, can you hear us pa?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, sobrang hina ng boses niya. Kasi malumanay po kayo magsalita eh. Kaya ganun din siya mag...
Alright, this one, Teo. What's this?
What's this, Tayo?
The sound of letter S. Sun.
The other one.
Sun. What's this?
Sound.
What about the sound? Sound of letter S. And then the last one, the last picture, what is that?
Picture. What's the picture?
The last one.
Yan.
It's sun.
Yan. Make it louder. Para very good.
Yeah, you're gonna have this. It's you.
Wow.
You're holding a tray.
What's that?
But there's nothing on the tray. So you're gonna pick your reward here. You're gonna choose some chocolate. Okay, you choose 3 chocolates and you're gonna put it on your tray.
Oh, you pick 3 chocolate na.
It's Theo. Ready, Theo? You're gonna pick chocolates.
Oh, you pick chocolate. You pick there. No, you say it to the teacher. Where's the picture back?
This one?
Oh, you choose it. Where? From? What's that?
Choose.
What color? You say the color.
Black.
The color black from the first.
This one?
The first row? Yeah, the Goya.
First.
You want Goya?
Okay, alright.
Wow.
This one?
You want local
Alright.
chocolate, ha?
Let's put this chocolate on your tray. You got one chocolate already.
Wow.
Okay. Second one.
Your second chocolate. From
Second
here.
one.
Just here. What color? From the second row. What color? You choose the color.
Black again.
The Mars. Okay.
The one
Mars.
from second row.
Say Mars.
Mars. Okay. Mars.
Mm.
It's Mars. Alright, let's put her. You got 2 chocolates already. Wow.
Wow.
Alright, last one.
From
Ready
the last
for the
row.
last one?
From the last row. Okay,
Black.
this one. What color?
Which one do you like?
The black again? You say it.
The black
Sneakers.
again?
Say sneakers.
Yeah.
Sneakers.
Sneakers.
Say sneakers.
It starts with letter S too.
S.
What's the sound of letter S? That's the
Letter.
sound of
Very
that.
good.
Okay, there we go.
Wow. You have a
Bring
lot
it
of
front.
chocolate.
There you go. You got 3 chocolates. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, you like chocolates, Theo?
Say
Do you
yes.
love this? Do you like it?
Louder.
Yeah. Guys, that one. Or top. Can you say it loudly? Alright.
Okay, don't touch them.
Do you have like headset or maybe like earphone
I
that
wait.
you can use for? It's the apples are falling. That is the sound of letter A. Alright, okay. So let's move on to the book. So last time we have studied letter S already. So we will just go back there. Here.
Taya, look at that. Louder. Louder, baby. Say it louder. Taya.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Taya, talk to teacher.
Apple.
That's the picture, Taya. Look at that.
Apple.
Sound, sound. What's the sound?
Apple. Apple.
Sound. Apple.
Apple. Apple.
Tay, don't look here. Now you read it. Wow! Do you like that? Tayo the Spider-Man? Hey, Tayo the Spider-Man. What's that? Tayo, answer to teacher. Wow! Oh, you choose one daw. What's that? Say. Just say it. Oh, one pa tayo. You say it. You say it. Say it, baby. Oh, say the picture. What's the picture?
What's that picture? Can you guess this animal?
Tayo.
What is
Tayo.
this animal?
Snake.
Snake! Is this a snake?
Yes.
Teo correct? Yes, Teo is correct. It's a snake. Very good. Wow, 7 stars. Very good, Teo. Next animal. Look at the screen.
Hey, look at the
What
screen.
animal is this? This is the king of the jungle. What animal is this?
Hey, look at the screen.
What animal is this? It roars. It has fur over here.
Tiger.
It's the king
The
of
other
the
one.
jungle.
Lion.
La.
Say it
What is
louder.
it? Lion.
Nanigit ako
Lion,
ng...
lion, lion. Is this the lion? Lioness? Correct.
Later na to.
Good job, Thea. It's
Kulit
a
eh.
lion. Good. Next one.
The next one. Look. Tayo, look at the screen.
What is this animal? Oh.
Rabbit.
Oh, rabbit. Is this a rabbit?
Yes.
Rabbit. Rabbit is? Correct. Very good, Theo. Good job. Another star for you. Good job. Wow, you got 9. What about this one? Nay, what is this animal?
What's
It
that?
runs very fast.
Uy! Look at that, oh.
It's bigger than dog. What is this?
Teo, what's that? You answer.
Yeehaw! What is that?
Horse.
Yeehaw! Horse. Is this a horse? Horse it is? Correct. That is a horse. Good job. You got it all correctly. Wow. Very good. You got 10 stars. Amazing. Alright, Thea. Okay. Now, we will be moving forward to our lesson. Did you enjoy that game?
Yes.
That's nice. Okay. Now let's move on to our lesson. I hope you will have fun here too. Okay, hold on for a second. Okay, teacher will just fix the screen. There we go. Okay. Right. So,
Teo, don't show your tongue.
can you tell me what letter is this? Do you know what letter is this?
What letter? Teo, answer.
Letter. This is letter S.
Letter,
Can
na.
you,
Letter. No. Ay, you sit down. Ano?
can you say letter S?
Say S.
S. What's the sound of letter S, Theo? Like the sound of snake. Can you do it? One more time.
Louder.
Louder.
Louder, Teo.
Alright, that's the sound of letter S. Okay, now,
You.
are you using a tablet or a computer? Mommy, is he using tablet or computer po?
Laptop.
Laptop. Okay, alright, you have your whiteboard.
Or your whiteboard, baby. Yeah, small board. Nako.
I want big board.
Wait lang.
We will be writing.
Ah.
Can you write this?
Are
Can
you
you
right?
write this?
Write letter S daw.
Write letter S.
Teo, don't
Alright,
trace it na. You just gaya.
You just copy this one.
Copy na. No tracing. Oh, you just copy. Sige na. You can do it. Don't delete na. Sige. You can do it. Write letter S. Go. You can do it.
Just like this, oh look.
It's so easy.
Yeah. Like this one only.
You can do it, baby. You can do it.
You just copy this.
Akin, I will delete. I will erase. Ang pangit kasi nito. Dali Oh, you write it again. Gaya mo si teacher.
Just like this. Start here. Connect the line.
You can do it, anak. Tayo, don't write na the dots. Sige na, sulat mo na. It's okay, you can do it. Use the notebook. Use your notebook.
You can do it.
Go na. Gaya mo si teacher. Letter S. Faster, baby! There's a time. Go.
Right letter S.
Oh, you can copy that.
Letter S.
You can do it. Go. It's okay.
You can do it. Okay, it was very good.
Oh, go,
Take
dali.
it
And you show it to
slowly.
teacher.
You don't have to hurry up.
Oh, wow. You show it to teacher.
Can I see it?
You show it to teacher. Hindi kasi siya nag-practice eh.
Oh, that's okay. That's fine.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, very good pa din.
Alright.
Oh, later we will practice
That's
again.
good. Okay.
Letter A
Anyway,
pa lang, tsaka H yung favorite niya eh.
What letters po? At letters?
A tsaka H yung favorite niya isulat.
I
Ayan, ito.
Alright.
Ay, kita ba?
Oh.
Hindi
Yes,
ata
so I
kita.
can see it.
Okay.
Wow. Okay. Anyway, we'll be doing this again next time, okay? Letter S. So keep on practicing. Mommy, I sent you a worksheet po. You can print that out and then
Ay, yes,
pwede niya po yung i-trace. Or maybe if he has a tablet, you can actually trace it po on the tablet.
Ay, okay, sige.
Po. Alright, okay. Let's move
Ayan.
on
Ah.
here.
Listen to teacher.
Okay. Alright, remember this, Teo?
Tayo,
You
remember that?
remember this one? We tried to do this last time, right? And you've done a great job. But again, we're going to do this one more time. So you will just make the sound of letter S and then name the picture. You ready? Are you ready?
Aka na ka. Kulit. Oh, go.
Are you ready, Teo?
Oh, listen to teacher. Go, go, go. Listen to teacher. Sorry, sorry.
Are you ready? You will make the sound of letter S. What's the sound of letter S?
What's the sound of S?
Very good.
And what's
What
in the
about this
picture?
picture? What is this?
This one, what's the...
Okay, alright. So, let's do this. Ready, go.
Look at the...
Oh, look at here.
Sound, sound. What's the sound? What's the sound of S?
Sound.
Oh, picture. What's the picture? What's in... Oh, sound.
One more
Sound.
time.
Sound.
Okay,
Picture,
next one.
picture.
Picture.
Picture tayo.
Done. Next, letter. Sound.
Letter sound.
Sound.
Letter sound again.
Okay. Picture.
What's in the picture?
Sound.
Sound. Letter sound tayo.
What's the sound of letter S? And last one, what is this? It's a picture. Very good. Good job, Theo. Yay. Nice one. For that, I'm gonna give you another star. You got another star, Theo. Good job. Okay, what about this one? Let's try this. Okay, what letter is this, Theo?
Oh, what letter? What letter
What
tayo?
letter is this? Letter A. You like letter A? What is the sound of letter A? Ah. What's the sound of letter A? One more time. Ah. Let's do it 5 times. You ready? Let's do it. Let's say it 5 times. Ah. Ah. Can you say ah? Ah. Ah. sound. Make a sound, Teo. Ah,
ah,
ah. Okay. Now let's move on here. You will make the sound of letter A and take the picture. Are you ready, Teo?
yes.
Let's do this. Ready, go. Ah,
Picture.
picture.
Apple. Ah,
Ah,
apple.
apple. What's this picture?
Apple.
Apple. That's make the sound. Ah, one
Louder.
more time.
Apple.
Sound of letter A. Ah, and last one, picture.
Apple.
Apple. Very good. Good job, Teo. Nice one. You got another star. Good job. All right. Okay. So keep on practicing, Teo. All right. So I sent mommy worksheet. You can actually trace that. You can practice writing there.
Yes.
Alright, okay. Anyway, mommy, tomorrow po, tomorrow po kasi I have meeting po sa DFA for
Mm-mm.
my passport po. So, I think I'll not be able to do class po tomorrow. So, is it okay po if we reschedule on Saturday?
Sige. Okay lang.
Sige po, alright. Thank you so much po. Anyway, Teo,
Ay, sorry.
for your reward.
Ano oras ulit yung Saturday? 2:30, no?
Oh, yes po. Same time po.
Sige. Kasi may, si Teo, may physical therapy kasi siya eh.
Ano pong time?
Parang, mga 4 pa naman yun. Pero sige, mag-ano na lang kami. Kahit naman sa labas kami, okay lang.
Okay po, sige
sige.
po. Kung ano po, gusto niyo po i-adjust yung time ng earlier than that po ba or much later po?
Pwede siguro earlier.
Earlier po, sige
Oo.
po.
Mga
I'll check
before
with the
lunch.
schedule.
Pag pwede kayo.
Sige po. Okay po.
Okay.
Morning po.
Apo.
Sige po. Alright. Okay, Taya, for your reward, you're gonna have this one.
Wow! What's that?
this? Do you know this?
SpongeBob.
It's SpongeBob. Yes, hold on for a second. Okay. Hold on. Picture is just finding something. Okay. So for your reward day, you're going to choose 5 characters and then we're gonna put them here.
5
Alright.
characters na yan. Oh no,
Five
you don't know them.
characters. Okay. Who do you want to pick? Choose your first character.
You say SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. Okay, first character is SpongeBob. Okay, let's put SpongeBob. Alright, here, in front of his house. Next one.
Next time. Who's that?
Crab.
Mr. Crab.
Crab.
Mr.
Oh,
Crab.
Mr. Crab. Mr. Crab, let's put you in the bikini bottom. Alright. Okay, next one.
Next one tayo.
Oh. Who's your next character?
Patrick.
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 Oh, it's Patrick. Same with my name. It's me. It's
Teacher
me,
Patrick.
Patrick. It's same with my name, Patrick. Let's put here near to SpongeBob. They're best friends. Okay. Next one.
Snake.
Gary.
Cry.
Neil, Gary. Put Gary. Just the. There we go. Where do you want to put Gary? Here?
Yes.
Here? Okay, here beside SpongeBob. Last one.
What else there? Smile.
Your
Squidward.
next character.
Say it. Squid. Squid.
Squid.
Put your
Squidward.
Squid.
Who?
Squidward ba yun?
Who's your last character?
Squid.
Squid.
Squidward.
The squirrel? Squirrel? Squidward?
Squidward.
This one. Squidward?
Say it there. Squidward.
Okay, let's put Squidward here. Okay.
Squidward.
There we go. So that's your reward for today's class.
Yay! Smell ka,
Do you
smell.
like it, Theo?
Yes.
Like the reward? It's SpongeBob. Anyway, Theo, I need to say goodbye now. I hope you have fun and learned something in our class. I'll see you on Friday. Bye-bye, Theo.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Have a great day.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye. Teacher. Ah!
Tayo, listen to teacher. Don't do that face.
Ah! 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 Ah!
As. As. Tayo, listen to teacher. Friend. Look there, look there. Nakatabi ng S. Ah. Theo. Listen to teacher. Mm. You can do it. You just copy. Just copy. You already practiced that. Oh, dali. You just kaya. Copy it, anak. Di ba you can write the big A? Oh, write the big A. It's the same. Or write the capital A. Teo. Naka-playtime mode eh. Hindi ka Oh, S. Dali, and show it to teacher. Dali, your S is good. Your A is good. Go, anak. You write S. Ganyan, no? S. Oh, show it to teacher. Oh. Oh, very good.
Oh, but
Write letter S. You can do it. S like this, oh. Ganun, oh. That's A. Big A. Write letter big A. A. Do A. Oh, you show it to teacher. Capital letter kasi siya. What's that?
this is the brother. Parrot. This is the Papa Parrot. This is the baby parrot.
Parrot. So, where's the mama parrot? There's no mama.
Mama baby. I want to make him a parrot.
Carrot ba sinasabi mo? Or parrot?
Parrot.
Carrot. Okay.
Parrot.
Carrot. Parrot. A bird. Show me your new project. Show me your new project, Taya. Show me your new project. Show it to me. That is your new project.
What are you trying to say?
I want Ganyan paint.
Just that
Okay.
you're suddenly being very nice to me.
So
You
I
helped me with this campaign.
Oh,
so-
don't flatter yourself, Otis. If you must know, I went to primary school with her.
so at it pa.
Except she was called Sarah Owen.
Ang dami mong alam. Ano?
Kiss.
Orange. Blue. Blue. Strawberry.
What color is ng strawberry?
Red.
Carrot.
not see eating there.
Carrot.
Orange.
Orange.